Hello Backyard Foundry friends. In today's video we're going to be unboxing and reviewing a crucible and molds that I got from Fast to Buy company. I'll put some Amazon links down in the description in case you want to take a look at these items closer. I'm probably going to be getting a furnace from them too, so I'll be doing an unboxing and review of that as well, but that might be for a while. So today it's going to be this crucible, which is a graphite crucible, and some molds. So let's get to it today with Backyard Foundry.
Gonna turn that scrap into a sculpture for you, singing we will melt you.
Look at that. That's what I'm talking about. Nice. Okay. These are the molds. Not sure what these are made out of, if they're like a graphite. So I did look this up more, and this is a graphite crucible and graphite pouring mold. And I'm not sure how much draft these have. I could put a micrometer on it and see. Maybe David, you can tell me if that has draft on it. I'd be afraid if I poured metal in there, I wouldn't be able to get it back out. So yeah, David, let me know on that. In the description how these work, if they have draft. I mean, they certainly wouldn't be for a one-time use, but it definitely looks like they're graphite, if you see what I mean. So the crucible looks nice. In the product description it says that this crucible can get up to 500 melts. That sounds really incredible to me, and even if I could get half of that, like 250 melts, that would be incredible to me. They didn't send me any directions as far as if I need to temper this. I'm sure I do. And he didn't send me any kind of information on what this is actually made of. I will put those instructions in my next video when I do fire this thing up and when I do a melt. I believe it's a 5 kilogram crucible. Whatever that means, I don't really know what kilograms are, sorry. Alright, so I will probably add this video onto the next video, or I will add the next video I do of using this, tempering it and using it. I will put that onto the end of this video. Or I might do it by itself, I'm not sure. We'll see how it goes. I'm going to leave a video link here. In the upper right hand corner will be one of my most popular videos, and in the left hand corner will be one that Google will pick for you, that Google says you will like. Well, thanks for watching, and I hope I'll get a video of me using this very soon. Alright, thanks for watching. Have a blessed day. See you again real soon.